This video is going to take a look at how to use Microsoft Word with an Excel spreadsheet to send personalized group emails through Outlook. Now, as you can recall, we've been collecting emails on our step-by-step form of well, they're not really participants, eligibles, who choose not to join the plan. Well, it's time we do something with all those emails, and the first thing we're going to do is check them up against the record-keeping system to make sure that they haven't enrolled. And if they haven't, we're going to have a series of different email messages that we're going to send out to them quarterly. Now let's take a look at our Excel spreadsheet. Here on our Excel spreadsheet, we have their first name and our last name, and the first name is going to be used for our personalization. And I just want to point out here the rep and the number. You can see that we have Dan Regin and the 800 number. Dan is actually the one who is going to be sending out all of these emails on your behalf. And I just wanted to show you, if you ever wanted to do this on your own, how you can quickly update that field. So what I'm going to do is make them all for Dan. So I'm going to copy and then drag select and hit paste, and see now everything comes from Dan. Now be sure to save the list. Make any changes you want. It's always a good idea to add yourself to the list, so that way you can have a copy of the email for your record so you'll know when it went out. And keep in mind that any changes that you make to this list after you've imported it into Word, you'll need to re-import it into Word. So let's move on to Word. Okay, so here I am in Word, and I'm going to open up the file. And we're getting this message here. We're not going to worry about it because the reason we're getting it is because it's already set up to be a mail merge. So we're just going to say yes. And now we need to connect our Excel spreadsheet to the Word file. So we're going to go up to this Mailings tab, going to click it. We're going to select Recipients and choose Use Existing List. And then we're going to navigate to where this is, Emails. And I'm going to find my list and just hit open. And don't worry about this, it's just asking which tab, just say OK. And now it didn't look like anything happened. Let's make sure that it did. And the way we're going to do that, you see this where it says greeting line, we're going to hit preview results. Oh, we see we changed it there. And we can scroll through a couple to see that, yep, it's pulling those results. All right, now we can finish and merge, send the email messages. You will need to type in a subject line. I have one typed in here that said, did you hear about the early starter who saved less but earned more? And then hit OK. And that's all there is to it. Now your mass email has been sent individually to everybody on your list through Outlook. Let's take a look at what that looks like. Okay, here we have our email. And I want to double click to get a little bit closer look at it here. And let me get it so it's in frame. And you see it's personalized with the first name. We see that it has only one person, not a whole bunch of them like a group email. It looks like it came from you personally instead of some mass email service. It's personalized with your name and phone number and contains a hot link that a person can just go and quickly join the plan. That's all there is to it.